Hello, this is Mark from the Photomatix team. Today I'm going to show you how to set up automatic exposure bracketing on a Fujifilm X-S10. This will let you take 3 or more photographs, each at a different exposure, when you press the shutter button. Switch the camera on and locate the mode dial on the top right of the camera. Turn the mode dial so that M, for manual, lines up with the white marker. To activate automatic exposure bracketing, locate the drive button on the upper left and press it to display the drive mode menu. On the right-hand side above the menu button is the focus stick, which can be used to navigate the menus. Tilt it down 5 times to navigate to BKT. Make sure the first choice, AE BKT, is highlighted. If it isn't, tilt the focus stick to the left until it is. Then press the focus stick straight in to save the setting and leave the menu. Now you are ready to adjust the bracketing details. Press the menu OK button to enter the main menu. Tilt the focus stick left to highlight the tab for the current menu. Then tilt it down twice to get to the Shooting Setting tab. There are 3 pages of settings. To go to page 2, reach around to the front of the camera and locate the front command dial, just below the on-off switch. Rotate it 1 step to the right. Tilt the focus stick right and down to highlight AE BKT Setting. Press it to adjust the settings, and press it again to go to the frames step setting. The frames setting controls how many shots you take in your bracket. The default on this camera is 3 shots. You can choose another value by tilting the focus stick up or down. For instance, 5 shots or 7 shots. Let's keep it at 3 shots. Tilt the focus stick to the right to edit the step value. Here you set how many exposure value steps will separate your bracketed shots. Press the focus stick down 5 times to select 2 EV. This is a good choice for HDR scenes. Press the menu OK button to save. There's one last thing you need to do before you are ready to shoot. Setting continuous shooting mode so that you take all bracketed shots by just pressing the shutter button once. To do that, tilt the focus stick down to highlight 1 frame continuous. Then tilt to the right and move down to continuous so that all shots in the bracketing sequence are taken in a single burst. Press the menu OK button to save your choice, and the display back button twice to exit the menu. All you need to do now is keep the camera still and press the shutter button carefully. The camera will take all the photos. Once you have taken the bracketed photos, you can merge them to HDR in Photomatix. You can download Photomatix Pro with the link on the card above or in the video's description. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below.